of my recovery.
Northport continues to be unbeaten after defeating Converge. Congratulations, Coach Bonnie Tan and player of the game, Josh Robinson. Coach Bonnie, you spoiled Valdi Baltazar's debut and Jordan Heading's big night. Paano nyo iniba yung approach nyo to this game compared to your previous games, knowing that Converge can't be deadly because of their bigs, but also because of their quickness?
Yeah, before the start of the game, we knew Valdi will play his first game. We just discussed na we don't have to be huwag natin ibigay sa isang taong rookie first game yung magandang ginagawa natin for the past 4 games. So yun, at least step up yung mga players natin, get their 5th win. Kumbaga yung run, don't stop yung good run na ginawa ng team, and then masisira lang isang rookie player. So yun, siguro nag-step up sa challenge siguro sa ganyan na na-realize ng mga players na sayang nga yung 4-0 run nila na patatago sa ito.
Thank you, Coach. Joshua, wow, another POG night for you. You're starting to make it look too easy for yourself, but what were the personal challenges that converged through your way, especially in the end game, that you had to overcome and you'd like to use as lessons for the next one?
I mean, they were a really good team. They put the pressure on us on defense. I mean, transition, they were on us pretty much the whole game. It was a back and forth game. It was a tough team, but I think we just, at the end of the game, we just ended up making more shots, and more than anything, happy to be 5-0 right now.
At this point, we're opening the floor to the media.
Congratulations sa pagkaraniwan sa Northport na 5-0 start na conference franchise base. Big is this for the team?
Sorry?
Na 5-0 kayo, gaano kalaking bagay sa team ninyo?
First, it's a good run, no, for us, for this team, to get a good start, 5-0. Pero during practices, we just discussed yung one game at a time. So, playing against an independent team like Converge, sinasabi na lang sa practice na if we beat this team, there's a good chance na we can beat yung second game namin this week against Phoenix. So last week, that's how we set yung mindset namin na if we beat yung Magnolia, we can beat a big team like Tocatex. So naging positive na rin yung results sa ganun na challenge. So yun, hopefully we can finish this week with a big win against next game against Phoenix.
For Joshua, what was going through your head when you were hitting those non-stop triples in the air?
I mean, we had been going back and forth the whole fourth. I mean, we got up by, I think it was like 9, then they fought all the way back and tied the game. So I mean, at that point, we just needed to score a couple buckets and just have confidence in myself taking those shots, and my teammates were let me take those shots, and I'm happy they went in. I'm happy we won the game. versatile big, I say, but I think it was his first game, so you know he had to still get his feet wet, see how this league is. But I'm pretty sure he'll be fine. You know, the more he plays, he'll be just fine. So he'll be pretty good. Gotta give him some more time.
Joshua, it seems like the style of play that Norfolk plays, the running game fits you well. Let's talk about the comfort level you have with this running game with Norfolk.
I think you know, it's just my teammates finding me in transition. They look up, they passing me the ball. I think, you know, without my teammates, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing out there. So I'm just happy for my teammates, and happy that I'm able to score when they find me. And like I said, happy to be 5-0 right now.
Coach, si Evan Nele ang ganda ng nilaro during the first quarter. I think siya nagpahabol sa team niya.
Not only Evan, with this 5-0 win loss record, very crucial yung nilaro ng dalawang point guards natin, Banyo and Evan. So, kay Evan naman, based sa last game niya, he played very well. He's not scoring that much, pero yung assist department naman nag-feed naman ng dalawang pairs natin. So, kanina, just maybe because of the confidence level na he's playing the past game. So, very crucial yung back-to-back four point shots. And happy for him na sabi ko nga sa both guides natin na this is your time, this is your confidence. Wala si Kuya Gio Alalan nyo. So, the team will rely on sa dalawang guys na naiwan sa amin.
Coach, speaking of Gio, ano bang status niya?
Sa day-to-day, yung may injury siya na niliyap niya sa sciatica. So, sabi niya sa akin na konti na lang, konting panahon na lang. Siguro, nakikita rin niya na yung momentum na siguro yung magiging kumbaga sa dalawang guides yung nanalo. So siguro may pagka-Chinese na fungsoy na medyo bigyan muna natin dalawang batang point guides natin.
Okay na? Coach, thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you.